Good morning. I would like to welcome everybody to today's bid, JPS ESSER program, restroom improvement for Isabel Elementary. First bid, we have a hard copy from Diversified Contracting Service. They have their certificate of responsibility number on the front. That number is 25741-MC. They included their surety. Their surety company is Fidelity and Deposit Company of Maryland. They did include the form of non-conclusive affidavits. They did acknowledge the addendums 1, addendum 2, and addendum 3. Their base bid is in the amount of $547,500. Again, that is $547,500. Alternate number 1 is in the amount of $219,000. Alternate number 2 is in the amount of $92,000. And alternate 3 is in the amount of $18,000. Mechanical sub they have listed is Smith Heating and Cools. CRR number 22903-SC. Electrical, they have BOMAC. CRR number 16229-MC. For plumbing, they have C&J Plumbing. CRR number 18713-MC. We will move on to the electronic bid. First, we have Connerly Construction. They've listed their certificate of responsibility number. It is 03619-MC. Their surety name and address is Travelers Casualty Surety Company. They did acknowledge addendum 1, 2, and 3. They do not have the proposal form, the affidavits for that come along with the proposal form. Okay, the base bid amount, they have $469,000. Alternate 1 is in the amount of $257,000. Alternate 2 is in the amount of $82,000. Alternate 3 is in the amount of $13,500. Mechanical, they have listed as South Central Heating and Plumbing. Their CRR number is 00632-MC. Electrical, they have Tony Watson Electrics. CRR number 06391-MC. And for plumbing, they have South Central Heating and Plumbing. CRR number 00632-MC. Our next electronic bid is from Sullivan Enterprise. Their CRR number is 03579-MC. They did not include the affidavit form with the proposal form. Their surety company is Travelers Casualty and Surety Company of America. They did acknowledge all three addendums, and their base bid is $372,500. Their alternate one is $158,000. Alternate two is $68,500. Alternate three is $14,500. The subcontractors that they have listed is mechanical, Smith Heating, Cooling, Generator, and their CR number is 22903-SC. Next, we will move on to M&P. Okay, their CR number is 21320-MC. They did include the proposal affidavit form, bid bond, Employers Mutual Casualty Company. Their base bid is $320,000. Their alternate one is $230,000. Alternate two is $60,000. Alternate three is $15,000. Subcontractors they have listed, mechanical. They have McLean Mechanical and Plumbing, serial number 03556-MC. Electrical, they have Bomac Electric, serial number 16229-MC. For plumbing, they have McLean Mechanical Plumbing, a serial number 03556-MC. The next electronic bid we will move to is Thrash. Their serial number is 10117-MC. They did include the affidavit form with the proposal form. Their surety company is Harborside 3. Their base bid amount is $377,000. Their alternate one is $197,000. Alternate two is $74,800. Alternate three is $13,900. Subcontractors they have listed, for mechanical, they have Smith Heating, Cooling, and Generators, CR number 22903-SC. Electrical, Magnolia Electric Company, CR number 14281-MC. For plumbing, they have C&J Plumbing and Mechanical. Their CR number is 18713-MC. Okay, the next electronic bid we have is from J.E. Stevens Construction Group. Their CR number is 24536-MC. Their surety company is the Hanover Insurance Company. Okay, they did not include the affidavit form with the proposal form. Okay, their base bid amount is $249,000. They did acknowledge all the alternates. Alternate 1 is $151,500. Alternate 2 is $62,000. Alternate 3 is $15,000. Subcontractors they have listed for mechanical, they have C&J Plumbing and Mechanical. CR number is 18713-MC. Electrical, they have Shivers Construction. CR number 16433-MC. Plumbing, they have C&J Plumbing and Mechanical. CR number 18713-MC. That concludes all the bids for this Isabel project. Thank y'all for your time. Again, I'm Anderson Irvin with Durrell Design Group.